So how does all this thing fit in together, right? The way this whole thing fits together is let's start working from the right bottom, right? The light blue colored box is your actual test asset, right? Let's say if you're doing automation, you will have an RTW test. If you're not doing automation, that portion, the light blue portion, will not be there, right? Because you will not have any asset that you want to execute. There is no Java class that you want to execute. That points to a test script, and then the test script is associated to a keyword, right? And then it is added to a manual script, right? Don't get too confused with the manual script acronym, right? Because the top level script is always a manually composed script, because at that point we really don't care about if it's an automation script or a manual script. The high level business flow script is a manually composed script. And for all you know, for the people who are in a position to influence how teams work with each other, you could have the subject matter expert come and create the domain-specific framework using keywords. He can create empty keywords and start putting together, using just drag and drop, like we saw, high-level test cases, right? So the SME would be happy to participate in the QA process, versus earlier he would not know the tools we use and then the technologies we use. Now for him it's just a matter of drag and drop and create a flow which he can understand in English, and then say, yep, this is exactly what I want. And then you could maybe take a PDF printout out of it and email it to your end client and say, sir, this is what we are testing, please approve. Because in user acceptance testing, usually that is the problem you face, is what is the authoritative document which everybody can agree on. It cannot be a Java file, right? It cannot be a use case too. Because at the end of the day, somebody has to show the traceability on this Java file is actually testing that use case, and what is the flow you are taking to test that use case. Right. So that's pretty much what I wanted to take you guys through. We can look quickly also at the two technologies that we just saw. The two technologies are the mobile testing capability and the web testing capability. Now this is the mobile testing capability. This is the mobile script, which can run on an Android, either a physical device, or it can run on a physical device, or it can run on an emulator, right? You see, click edit test, enter Bangalore Taj, click on hyperlink. Now, this is a Java file which would run on the web, right? So the actual test asset that's running on the web browser and then the one running on the mobile app are completely different. But we were able to tie it all together all the way up there and make some sense out of it. So that's pretty much what I wanted to walk you guys through. Moderator, I think we can take questions now.
Thank you so much, Ajay, for the presentation.